CBSE Mathematics Class 11th, Chapter 5, Exercise 5.3. Question number 1. Solve each of the following equations. Number 1, x square plus 3 equal to 0. Now transpose 3 to right hand side. You will get x square is equal to minus 3. So, in place of minus 1, we can put iota square, means iota square is equal to, that is minus 1. So in place of minus 1, I have put here iota square. Now take the square root of both the sides. So here it will be, the x will be equal to plus minus iota root 3. Question number 2. 2x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So the x will be equal to, that is minus 1 plus minus root of 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 1 whole divided by 2 into 2, and it will be further equal to x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root minus 7 by 4. So in place of minus 1 inside the square root, I have put here, I have written iota square. So minus 1 plus minus, take the square root of iota, that will be equal to minus 1 plus minus root 7 by root 7 into iota by 4. Now come to the question number 3. X square plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. So the x is equal to minus 3 plus minus root of 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 9 whole divided by 2 into 1. That will be equal to minus 3 plus minus root of minus 27. In place of minus 27, I have written here, you see, the minus 3 plus minus root of 9 into 3 into iota square by 2. So 9, square root of 9 is 3. I have taken out 3. The square root of iota square is 1 iota only, iota, and your 3 will be inside the square root. So minus 3 plus minus 3 root 3 iota by 2. This will be the answer of question number 3. Now come to the question number 4. Minus x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Here x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root of 1 square minus 4 into minus 1 into minus 2 whole divided by 2 into minus 1. So it will be equal to minus 1 plus minus root of minus 7 whole divided by minus 2. It will be further equal to minus 1 plus minus root of minus 7 iota whole divided by minus 2, and this will be the answer of the question number 4. Now come to the question number 5. X square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Here I have the same formula. You see, x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So I have substituted the value of a and b and c accordingly. You see, x is equal to minus 3 plus minus root of 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 5 whole divided by 2 into 1. Further solve it, you will get minus 3 plus minus root of minus 11 by 2, and it will be equal to minus 3 plus minus root of 11 into iota square whole divided by 2. X is equal to minus 3 plus minus root of 11 iota by 2. This will be the answer of question number 5. Now come to the question number 6. X square minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Same formula which I have used there previously, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So just substitute the value of b, a and c accordingly. You will get minus inside the bracket minus 1 plus minus root of minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 2 whole divided by 2 into 1, that will be equal to 1 plus minus root of minus 7 by 2. So in place of minus 1 inside the bracket, I have used root of minus 1, that will be equal to iota. So 1 plus minus root 7 iota by 2. This will be the answer of question number 6. Now come to the question number 7. Root 2 x square plus x plus root 2 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus root of 1 square minus 4 into root 2 whole divided by 2 into root 2. And it will be equal to minus 1 plus minus root of 7 into iota whole divided by 2 root 2. Iota square is equal to minus 1. So that is why I have taken iota here. You see question number 8. Root 3 x square minus root 2 x plus 3 root 3 equal to 0, and x is equal to minus inside the bracket minus root 2 plus minus root of minus root 2 whole square minus 4 into root 3 into 3 into root 3 whole divided by 2 into root 3. Here x will be equal to root 2, you see the minus into minus plus, so it will be root 2 plus minus root of 2 minus 36 whole divided by 2 into root 3. Further you solve it, you will get root 2 plus minus root 34 into iota whole divided by 2 root 3, because iota square is equal to minus 1. Question number 9. X square plus x plus 1 by root 2 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus root of 1 square minus 4 into 1 by root 2 whole divided by 2 into 1. And it will be equal to minus 1 plus minus root of 1 minus 4 root 2 whole divided by root 2 into root 2. I have rationalized it here, and that this 4 will be cancelled. Now we will get here minus 1 plus minus root of I have taken minus common, so 2 root 2 minus 1 whole divided by 2, and it will be equal to minus 1 plus minus root of 2 root 2 minus 1 into iota, and this will be your answer of question number 9. Now come to the question number 10. X square plus x by root 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Now put the value. X is equal to minus 1 by root 2 plus minus root of 1 upon root 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 whole divided by 2 into 1. If further solve it, you will get minus 1 by root 2 plus minus root of minus 3 and 1 by 2 whole divided by 2. If further solve it, you will get minus 1 by root 2 plus minus root of 7 by root 2 iota by 2. It will be equal to x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 7 into iota by 2 root 2. This will be the answer of question number 10.